How to get your child to eat healthier foods. 3 simple tips. Trying to get your child to eat healthier? Here are 3 easy tips to encourage better eating habits. Tip 1, make healthy foods fun and engaging. Present healthy foods in a fun way. Arrange fruits and vegetables into smiley faces, or let your child help with simple meal preparation. Making food fun and interactive helps them get excited about trying new things. Tip 2, lead by example. Kids learn by watching, so show them that you enjoy healthy foods too. Eat balanced meals together as a family and talk about the benefits of healthy foods in a positive way. Tip 3, offer choices within limits. Instead of asking if they want vegetables, ask if they like carrots or broccoli. Giving them a choice within healthy options helps them feel empowered and more likely to eat what they chose. With fun presentation, positive role modeling, and giving choices, you can encourage healthy eating habits that last a lifetime. Want more tips on raising healthy, happy kids? Check out our resources for practical parenting guidance at 4D-2D.com. There's a treasure trove of information about how your child develops physically, mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually. Plus, you get dozens of activities starting at under $1.